Let's go ahead and start with the solo. It's on measure 74. What comes up before that is that little estribillo that starts on beat 4, right? So you end up on an A9 chord. This is measure 72. 2 off. And then you have the solo. Now slowly, 1. Right? And that takes you all the way through measure 81, right? So a little bit faster, starting right on 74. 1, 2 E, 3 E, 4 E, and follow actually the melody before you get into the choirs. Now this will get you started with that little solo that we have there. Now let's go to the beginning of the piece. Vamos a empezar del principio. In guitar 2, you're actually going to do what I call cepillando los dientes, brushing your teeth. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Right, so you're going to on this side, you're going to hit with your thumb, and then with the index, you're going to hit the chord. 2, 3, 4. And then comes the melody, right? So right on measure, what is it? 14, 15, right? I like keeping on the D string, which means you're going to have to slide up. Then you actually have a chord on the 4th fret. It's just a chord here. Then you tap, then it's 3, 2, 1 for an F sharp major chord. You slap, and then you have a G sharp, B, and D sharp. Right? Right? That's measure 29, right? You got it. And then you got this chord, right? It's just an E and a B and a B. So you're holding a B here, then B open, and then, right? And you're just strumming that I don't want to wake people up in the hotel, so I'm not going to strum up, right? So it's, sorry. And then you just proceed with the chords, right? Right, so you get kind of like an A major 9 with an F sharp. It's really an F sharp major chord. Then you have a D major, and he wants you to portamento, right? And then you're in a 5th fret. And then you just move back your 2nd finger and land 3 and 4. Then again. Sorry, I have to scroll. And then it changes. This is measure 41. That's just a slap, right? Scroll, and you're back in the chords, right? So you got your D major, A major, back. Look for the change. Actually going to be strumming that part. Again, I'm in the hotel, I don't want to wake anybody up. Then you have, again, that chord progression. 85. C major, A major, right? I would use 2, not 3, and then. And then you actually have just pull-ups. The bar. Then you actually have a series of pull-ups, right? So you're pulling from the A easier is to think that every time you're playing an A on the 5th fret, you're going to go to the 3rd string, right? 3rd string. Then here from the 7th fret, you only go to the open. And then you do that, the 5th fret again. So if you listen, that's measure 94. Right, so you have an A, open B, and a G sharp. And then B, open B, and then G sharp. Right, and that takes you all the way to the downbeat of 97. And we're almost at the end of the piece. It's kind of like a fade out from that point. Now you have very high harmonics. You have an F sharp, which is on the 2nd string, right? But it's in syncopated, right? You got, and that is on the 3rd beat. So, and then you have a C sharp, which is right there on your 9th fret, right? And you're gonna grab it here past your 19th fret, right? And then you're just closing the piece with E and E and a B.